So out of here at a job in Haymarket, Vietnamese bread roll shop, yummy, yummy, yummy. And basically they're having dropouts. They're getting like 5 a day, 5 to 10 minutes each time. All right, so this will be a quick one, but the first thing I found is this is their cable coming in, right? And NBN's tag here, they actually had it double jumping into that. Now, you know, technically that's a bridge tap, right? For these type of services. It's not going through another socket, but it's bridging off, okay? So first thing I did, remove that. Now, bloody hell. So also too, I got my pair, it was going into this one, right? Now what I've done is I've just swapped it. I've now got it into 0, right? Because I'll show you upstairs, the socket up there, it looks like when they've tried to push it in the IDF, they've used a screwdriver, right? Because the pairs weren't chopped off and they've actually pushed these pairs apart, right? So they're actually like a wide space. So the insulation displacement stuff here is not going to work properly if you try to use a screwdriver because they're not going to make a proper connection, right? So now I'm just going to remove the jumper from here, put it onto that, we'll get them a new pair from here up to their IDF. And then hopefully that should fix the problem, but everything else is testing fine. Okay, so now I've done that, just want to double check. Right, so it's getting to my channel pair here. Right, so it's the same one, right one. And now I'll go back up, we'll put everything back up in the Vietnamese bread shop. And hopefully that's it, and I get a Vietnamese bread roll. So basically you can see here, those jumpers on pair number 1, they weren't, the top of them weren't snipped off, right? So I snipped them off, but when I look at it better, you see the gap in them? There's a big gap there, right? So it's like somebody's tried to push it in with a screwdriver. So they've possibly damaged that pair, okay? And that could potentially be why they're having dropouts, because we've got a HR, high resistance, okay? And that could be arcing out, and that's probably why, you know, it's not making a proper connection through the insulation. All right, happy days. So job done, customer happy, double the speed, download and upload. And I did get a freebie, pork roll. So I'll smash it, I'll tell you how good it is, and if it's great, I'll let you know, because I love Vietnamese pork rolls. Okay, yeah, it was delicious, right? Sussex Street, Sydney. I think it's 438 or something like that. But yeah, delicious. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.